I move the CD player from the studio. I move mixer 1 and mixer 2 close to the transmitter room here. Okay, and now I will set up all the mixer gathered to be connected to the transmitter, and we try to put in practice your instruction. Please check carefully. Now I put the things together ready on the table. I plug it to the power, and after that see how it will be. This is transmitter power, mixer power, CD player power. Jeremy, I will try to answer each question one by one.
Take a tape recorder out to the transmitting building and connect it directly to the transmitter audio input.
Okay, that I'm done. The tape player is here, close to the transmitter room. But what I find like a problem, the output signal from the tape player is this one. How can I connect this one to the transmitter input sound? Because the transmitter input sound is different. Let's see. The transmitter input sound is here. It's different kinds of chord. If I'm coming to this way, I cannot find the place where I can connect the cable coming out from a tape player. For that, it's not possible to do it that way. Okay? Next question. Okay.
What is the red positive meter lead connected to, and where are they measuring? Ohms or watts?
I connect it to the transmitter input directly. I don't know if it's measuring ohm or volt, but what I'm trying to get is the sound coming from the mixer to the transmitter. Next orientation.
I would suggest plugging a tape player, or we're going to use a DVD player because it's better, to one end of the cable and plug the other end of the cable into a mixer. You will be able to see on the mixer whether or not it's getting any signal. For the long cable, oh, okay, this is another.
Okay, now what I'm doing is this. I'm using this CD player because I will get the best quality of the sound. It's connected with this one, this cable. See, this one, I take it to the mixer in. Now we'll play it and see how is it. And from here, I hope to get the sound with these two cables to the transmitter. Okay? With this carrier off, it's not on for now. I will send the signal from the transmitter or from the mixer to here and see what is the Perry asked me to do. that I'm doing now. The one part is what you guys say. Take the sound from the CD player, connect it directly to the mixer. Sorry, to the transmitter.
Yeah.
Now playing the sound from the tape player. Let's see how is it on the transmitter. The cable to the transmitter is this too. You follow it and come to here. To this part. Okay. In front here, you don't have anything. The carrier is still off. Everything is there. Now I will turn on the carrier and see. No, before that, let's see in the radio how is it be. Now I will turn on the radio to see if we can have some signal. Nothing. Now turn on the carrier on the transmitter. Let's see how is it on the radio. If you get the signal on the air. You have no signal there. It's silence. Okay, all is in silence. It's different from when I don't turn off the carrier. Turn off the carrier. Aquele primeiro botão de cima. Let's see what will be happen. Okay, the carrier is on and that way. In the radio we don't have any signal. But here we have the tape playing the music. What should be wrong? Let's see the quality of the sound we have here in the outside of the transmitter. This is the signal using TFL. When I play this one, it shows us the real sound that we have here. We should have that sound on the air, but on the air we don't have anything in 92.4 Next question from Perry. We see.
I would like you to have the front panel set to read AP/DC amps.
And then it's already there. They turn on the carrier, right?
Right. Then turn on the carrier.
The carrier is on.
Okay. The other side. Interesting if they would be changing. I suspect it would. Also for the audio side of the transmitter, I suspect that the audio processor board is damaged. If you connect the audio source directly to the transmitter, either left or right, you should see activity on the audio meter. I think it's meaning the mixer.
Yeah, I would say. Okay, now I want to do something different. I don't know if that will be helpful. I will take out the filter from the transmitter. I will disconnect it and connect the antenna direct to the transmitter to see if we can get the signal on the air.
Excellent.
Okay, now I disconnect the filter from the transmitter, and then I will connect the antenna direct to the transmitter. Now I connect antenna direct to the transmitter. Let's do again. Turn on the transmitter. See what will happen. Carrier. Okay. Now we play the sound. Mix up. CD player. Okay. We have the signal there. What's happening on the air? You see? Nothing. Try with other radio. Nothing. Let's see what's happened on the transmitter. See? Still same. Now I will turn off the carrier and see what will happen. See what we have on the air. This sound is in my a small short video. Now I will connect the cable from the mixer to the transmitter one by one. I will take first the right side out. And we see what will happen. I'll turn on the carrier. Nothing changed. But let's see how is it on the air. Same thing. Same thing. Let's turn off the carrier and see what's happened on the air. The carrier is off. You get the sound in the air. What happened is the left cord connected from the mixer to the transmitter. Now I will take out the left cord from the mixer and put back the right cord and do the same. Okay, let's turn on the carrier. Okay, the transmitter is look like this way, nothing changing. Anyway, let's see how is it on the air. Nothing. Nothing. But on all this time we have the music playing. See the quality of the music that we have. This is the quality of the music that we have here.
Juventude, poder mediante a chamada de Deus garante. Juventude, poder obediência. Desejo do mundo.
Now, with the antenna connected directly to the transmitter, I will set the multimeter volts like the Perry asking to this one, and after that turn on the carrier. Let's do it and see. Okay, there. I'll turn on now the carrier. That way. I don't know how long I have to stay to check this. Let's see what's happened on the air. On this side you don't have any signal, but we see what happened on the air.
This one?
Yeah.
How do I do it again?
Up.
Up.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not in the right.
It's silence. Send. Nothing changing. Nothing changing. On this same position, we turn off the carrier turn off, then we see what's happened on the air. See? Okay. Carrier on.
You want to change.
Okay, this is a checking the hand of the audio cable inside of the transmitter room. See, how is it?
Solder looks good.
It's okay. Now see how the other cord is too.
Right.
See, it's normal. Okay. Inside of the studio, the long cord connection. See how is it? Still well soldered. It's correct. I think it's okay. It's well soldered. We have no problem on this side. Both cable, it's okay. This is inside of the studio. Okay.